Ready to give your ActivPanel 9 a fresh new look? Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to change the wallpaper. Power up your ActivPanel 9 and give it a second to boot up. Look for the settings icon in the application locker. It looks like a little cogwheel. Tap and voila, you're in the settings menu. Now move down the screen and look for the display tab. Tap there and here's where the fun begins. You might have pre-installed wallpapers to pick from, or maybe even use your own images. How cool is that? If you'd like to upload your own wallpaper, just follow the simple on-screen instructions to select the image from a USB, cloud drive or your network. You're almost there, just confirm your choice and watch as your ActivPanel 9 works its magic to apply the new wallpaper. And there you have it, you've successfully changed the wallpaper on your ActivPanel 9.
If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more.